Recently, if you scroll through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you will notice a content trend that is growing extremely fast. It is 3D animated health videos where food is personified into characters living and acting inside the human body. One great example is the channel Science_AI_Master, which already has more than 1 million followers. Their videos are very simple, but they attract millions of views. Another example is Dr_Helix. With only 13 posts, they have gained more than 10,000 subscribers. The interesting part is this: these videos are not as complicated as you might think, and today I will guide you step by step on how to create this type of video using common AI tools, without complex skills and without expensive costs. Step 1. Go to the website promptauto.io. Then find and select the gem called Health Shorts Factory. Once you open the gem, simply type the command Start. Immediately, the system will give you a list of 5 different topics. Your job is simple. Choose one topic that you like. For this example, I will choose topic number 1. Copy that topic and send it back into the gem. After you submit the topic, the gem will automatically generate 5 scenes. Each scene includes 1 image prompt, 1 video prompt, and 1 voice script. Now, we will begin with creating the images. Copy the image prompt from scene 1. Then go to VO3. Paste the prompt. At this step, you need to pay attention to 3 things. First, choose the correct image model. Second, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Third, select the number of images you want. After that, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your image will be ready. Next, go back to the gem. Copy the image prompt for scene 2. Return to VO3, paste it, and generate the image. You will repeat this process, but you can slightly adjust details if you want more visual variety. For scene 3, go back to the gem, copy the prompt, return to VO3, and generate the image again. For scene 4, do the same process, but now you can start paying attention to visual consistency between scenes. Finally, for scene 5, copy the last prompt, generate the image, and complete all 5 images. Once you have all 5 images, we move to the next important step, creating the videos. At this stage, remember that each scene has 2 key elements, the video prompt and the voice script. Start with scene 1. Copy the video prompt. Go back to VO3, paste the prompt. Then add the image from scene 1 as a reference. This step is very important because it helps the video stay accurate to the original content. Next, switch the model to video generation mode. Here, I recommend using VO 3.1 Fast. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. You will see that the video looks smooth, matches your topic, and is very engaging. Now move to scene 2. Go back to the gem, copy the video prompt, return to VO3, paste it, add the reference image, and generate the video. For scene 3, repeat the same process. Copy, paste, add image, and generate. For scene 4 and scene 5, continue the same workflow. You do not need to change the model again. Just replace the prompt and the corresponding image. After completing this step, you will have 5 short video clips. The final step is to download all the videos. Then, use a video editing tool. In this example, I use CapCut. Import all 5 videos into the timeline. Arrange them in order. You can add background music and subtitles if you want. Once you finish editing, you will have a complete video similar to the viral channels we mentioned earlier. And that is the full process. Simple, easy to follow, and anyone can start today. If you do it correctly, this can become a channel that brings you a lot of views and even income in the future.